When organizations decide to act, the next question is not whether to modernize, but how. In reality, there are three viable modernization pathways, each with very different strategic implications. The first option is upgrading to Oracle Forms 14c. This approach primarily addresses short-term stability. It maintains vendor support, reduces immediate operational risk, and buys time. But it does not change the underlying architecture. Vendor dependency remains, licensing exposure is unchanged, and long-term flexibility is not improved. This path stabilizes the present, but it does not materially alter the future. The second option is full replacement with an open architecture. Here, the user interface and business logic are decoupled from the Oracle Forms objects and moved to modern frameworks, such as React or Angular, backed by services. The strategic impact is significant. Dependency on proprietary runtimes is eliminated, audit exposure collapses, and database choice is restored. This approach delivers the strongest long-term outcome, provided functional behavior is preserved and execution is controlled. The third option is a hybrid modernization strategy. This is increasingly common in large enterprises. Critical systems are stabilized in the short term, while business logic and user interfaces are progressively decoupled over time. This allows organizations to balance risk, budget, and timelines while still moving toward architectural independence. The executive takeaway is straightforward: upgrades preserve dependency. Replacements restore control. Hybrid approaches manage risk while moving forward. The right choice depends on risk tolerance, timeline, and strategic intent. But doing nothing is no longer a viable fourth option.